Organic pea protein, it's actually the very first protein we came up with at The Healthy Chef 7 years ago. It is organic, it's pure, clean protein. It's our vegan protein, so it's plant-based, 100% gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's also low carb and sugar-free, so it's kind on the digestive system. So what's organic pea protein good for? Organic pea protein is good for pretty much total health and well-being. So protein helps support your immune system, it supports weight management, it helps support sports nutrition, and pretty much just general health and well-being. It'll make you feel fantastic after having it. I love it. So how do you use organic pea protein? Well, organic pea protein can be used 3 different ways. You can shake it, blend it, and mix it. And I'm going to show you how to do all 3, but I'm going to show you how to shake it. And it's pretty much simply with water. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of Healthy Chef organic pea protein into a shaker bottle. And you can use water, you can use almond milk, you can use coconut water. I just like water. And it's pretty much shake and go. Now you can put some ice in there if you like as well, if you want it a bit colder. And I love this stuff because you can actually have it as a quick snack or a little light meal or a protein-rich meal, but that's 28 grams of pure protein goodness right there. And it's beautiful, low carb, sugar-free, perfectly clean and natural, and it'll make you feel fantastic. Another way I love to use organic pea protein is to blend it into a super booster, immune boosting smoothie, and I'll show you how easy this is. And I've been having this at the moment because of my immune system. So I've got a few oranges here, high in vitamin C, which is what I need. A bit of banana. That's going to add more magnesium, potassium, and some minerals in there as well. A nice, generous scoop of Healthy Chef organic pea protein. But I also want to use some beauty collagen in here as well. So that's going to help nourish my gut and nourish my skin at the same time because it's high in vitamin C. Just some water in here. Just a little bit of ice. And all we have to do is blend. This is magnificent. Look at that, gorgeous. So I'm going to pour that in to a glass. That'll serve about 2 people, this smoothie. Look at that, pure goodness, and it's delicious. Another way I love to use organic pea protein is to mix it. Now you can mix it into yogurt, you can mix it into protein balls, you can put it into pancakes, but I'm going to show you how easy this is to mix into yogurt just for a little bircher muesli, or just to fill into my papaya like I have in the morning. I'm going to put a spoonful of Healthy Chef pea protein, and I'm also just going to put a little bit of immune support in there too, just purely for its vitamin C and vitamin D, and it gives a lovely orange flavour. So I'm mixing that through. I'm just going to pour this into some papaya. This is what I love having in the morning for breakfast. It's like my little bircher muesli, and I'm topping that off with some gorgeous blueberries and even just a few little pistachio nuts. And there you go, my gorgeous breakfast. And there you have it, 3 beautiful, delicious ways to enjoy Healthy Chef organic pea protein, a gorgeous papaya breakfast muesli bowl, just shaken with water, simply with water, and also blended it into this amazing immune boosting protein rich smoothie.